Hello everyone, this is my review of the Raxinier 3-shelf movable outdoor dining car table. The cart's compact size is perfect for my patio, yet it offers ample space for food prep and storage. The 3-shelf design allows me to organize my grilling tools, ingredients, and serving dishes efficiently. One of the standout features is its mobility. The sturdy wheels make it easy to move the cart around, whether I'm repositioning it for better access to the grill or bringing it closer to the dining area for serving. The build quality is impressive. It feels durable and stable, even when loaded with heavy items. Assembly was straightforward, with clear instructions provided. I had it set up and ready to use in under an hour. The sleek design also complements my outdoor decor nicely. Overall, the 3-shelf movable outdoor dining car table has exceeded my expectations. It's a practical, well-designed piece that enhances my outdoor cooking and entertaining experience. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.